Hi everyone. Now that we have understood the capabilities of Google Data Studio and made ourselves comfortable with the Google Data Studio home interface, and not just that, we have also created multiple data connections and added our data sources. It's time that we move on to a more interesting part. It's time we start creating dashboards and visualizations. Dashboards are called as reports in Google Data Studio. Let's see how to create them. There are three ways of creating reports in Google Data Studio. First is to click on Create, click on Report, and that will open up another window where you have to browse the data sources to add. Either you can start with an existing data source, or you can click on one of the data connections and start a fresh data connection. Let's go ahead and use one of the existing data sources and click on Add. Once we have done that, it will open up a report canvas where you can start inserting visualizations to create your report. Let's go back. The another way of creating any report is go to the Data Sources tab, use any of the existing data sources that you have created and click on Create Report on the top left. Once you click on Create Report, another tab will open that will have the same report canvas interface to help you create charts and visualizations. Let's delete this and go back as well. The third way of creating reports is to use one of the existing reports and click on it. Once you click on it, you will be in the view mode. You can then go to the edit mode and start editing the report and start adding charts and other things to your report. Well, these are the three different ways you can start creating reports. Thank you.